Hey guys, welcome back to Mybartender. Today we'll be making a very refreshing citrus cocktail called the Paloma. First, add ice to your highball glass. Next, add 2 ounces of your favorite tequila. Next, add a ½ ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Now add a pinch of salt. Top with grapefruit soda. Now stir with your bar spoon. Finally, garnish with a lime wheel. And that's it. That's how you make the Paloma.